Yes, I have a challenge for myself. I got this unit iPad Air. The actual screen is this one. It's really broken, and this I'm using is from another iPad I fixed, and this is damaged. But I just wanted to know if there's possibility to fix this unit, and we try to listen. See, it's trying to start up, but it doesn't continue. But then there is a sign of power, a life for this iPad. So I think I will buy a replacement, a screen replacement, and a home button. So, I need to wait, order first, and then see if I can make this run again.